and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy if you're new here, and today we have a super exciting video. I was contacted by the people at Joby asking if they could send me a microphone to improve the quality of these videos. You guys know I love to go out and thrift in public, but that normally means the audio quality isn't great, especially when I'm rummaging around at a boot sale on a windy morning. So hopefully this will solve our problems. We'll have better audio quality and we're going to unbox it together. So I actually opted for the Wavo Air because I thought this would be perfect for me, because wireless is more what I need. Obviously I film on my phone. For you guys who don't know, I know people do ask me that, but I do film on my phone, and when I'm out I definitely need something wireless so I can be rummaging around the charity shops while still being able to speak to you guys. I also find that if I'm filming in public I tend to speak a lot quieter, because obviously you don't want me running around a charity shop speaking full volume, so this will hopefully mean that it'll pick up my little whispers. So I'm just going to read you the overview of the Wavo Air so you can see if this is kind of the sort of thing that would be perfect for you. Here it is, an instant pairing wireless microphone kit designed for creators who need freedom in front of the camera. Obviously that is me when I'm out charity shopping. So the Wavo Air mic has up to 6 hours battery life, which is perfect if I'm out thrifting for the whole day, and its unique modular mounting system adapts to your creativity, so you can also like hook it onto your clothes and things like that. So if you're out and about and need both hands, I think you'll be able to get that, which is perfect. The Wavo Air brings crisp and clear sound, which is ready to kind of level up your audio if you're filming on something like a smartphone. From connecting to shooting, it's a matter of seconds, which is perfect for someone like me, again, who's going to be in and out of shops and need to be able to turn on and off the audio quite quickly. In the Wavo Air kit, you get 2 mics and 1 receiver, perfect for if you're out filming and need multiple mics. Let's get unboxing. It comes in this gorgeous kind of very sleek white box, and then when you open it up it looks like this. Let me read the instructions. I'm going to connect this to my phone and come back to you. Hello everyone, I've got my little mic connected. I don't know if you can see it. I can't even see it. It's there. That took me a while to connect because I'm terrible at technology, and I realised I just hadn't had it paired, which is on me. But yeah, let's go charity shopping. I'm not sure how long I'm going to be out for. I'm not sure how much I'll film, but I will film a little bit while I'm out, and yeah, hopefully the audio is a lot better than it normally is. So you do have the transmitter connected to your phone. I had to use, because I've got an iPhone, it doesn't come with an aux lead, I've just plugged in my little adapter, but yes, obviously you do have this in your hand as well, but you could easily clip this on to your phone and it'd be no problem. But yeah, I feel like this would be great for when I'm out charity shopping, because hopefully the audio will be better. But yeah, let's go charity shopping. Can I keep on rambling? And for context, this is what the audio sounds like without the mic. Okay, we have made it to Basildon, and let's do some shopping. I need to find stuff for Hannah's birthday. Still a couple of bits I want to get, so I'm going to find that, have a little mixture of trousers and see what we find. Okay, we are in the first shop. We are in Havens. Let's have a look around and see what we can find. I love these brown boots. Unfortunately, I just don't think my calves would fit in. Oh, and these are great. Very glitzy. Need things for Hannah, not for me. That's nice. That'd be nice for autumn, winter, or winter more like. You need that level of warmth. That's really unusual. Oh, that is so nice. Little slip dress. Really nice. I love a slip. There's some more. Very nice. That is an absolutely gorgeous velvet dress. Stunning. This is another gorgeous dress. £3. Love a sale round. Let's have a look. See what we can see. Oh, is that an Etam skirt, pair of trousers. Oh, that's nice. I got one very similar to that in my cancer research haul. That bag is amazing. Into British Heart Foundation. Mum is looking at the dresses. I'm really into skirts at the moment. Like shorter skirts though. But I'm finding them quite hard to thrift. That's pretty. Always love the underwear and like nightwear section in this one. They always seem to have some really nice. Like, look at that leopard. So cute, pure Una. It's a size 20 though. Would be a bit too big. Oh, Have a little set. So looking in the brick to see if I can find anything for Hannah. Recently made some hampers for a raffle, and it's actually really nice to find branded glasses, like these Bacardi glasses, and then getting a bottle of Bacardi as like a raffle gift. So if you're looking for like a raffle gift, that's always a fun idea. Oh my gosh, these are so cute, these little teapots. Also quite like finding like bath bombs and like bath sets to give as gifts from in here. So orange shorts are very cute. They are £4. A pair of Converse there for £6. Bargain. What are these? I just can't walk in kitten heels. Oh, they're all tangled. Time for Scope. I thought Scope has the best funky things in their window. So I got my charm necklace in here. Yellow heels. They're so fun. I think they're too big, annoyingly. I just don't wear this much that colour yellow, but we've got some platform, funky, kind of like zebra but not zebra shoes in here. Well, that's a nice bag, it's a little River Island one. That is very nice. Oh, and this bag is so cute. Oh gosh, I'm dropping things. Brand new PLT jeans. It's a really nice little beige faux leather number. Love that bag. It's really nice. Love this dress in the window, but £50. I'm a size 6, so neither of which are for me. Now going to over to Mind and see what's there. Mind was really hit and miss charity shop. It's quite cheap normally, so, and they normally got a good deal on. They also quite often have a thing outside of books that are for free. You just like, they just ask for a donation, which is always fun. I was just saying to Mum, I don't think there's much stuff I want to thrift now for Hannah. Everything's on my list may not be thriftable. Like, I'm not going to give too many clues. Hannah's going to watch this. But yeah, if that makes sense, if you know what I'm doing, then it will make sense. Time for Mind. The sparkly curtain. Still got a thing of books outside for free. It's nice. Little vintage next. Love this denim skirt. It's gorgeous. Size 24. Debating getting this glass for her, 30 and 30. Drink for her birthday. DJs are stunning. £4.50. £2 sunglasses.
Do you need more games for the table?
Do I need these sunglasses? I think the answer is yes. On to Cancer Research, that's our next shop. Yeah, I got one thing in. Oh no, actually I got a pair of sunglasses as well. A pair of sunglasses and then one present for Hannah, so that's always good. I mean, after going to the other Cancer Research superstore, you mean, this looks tiny now, whereas this always used to be one of the biggest charity shops I could go in. But let's have a look. And what is there? That's funky. Very similar to the one I got in the Cancer Research superstore actually. Just less glittery, if you can even believe that. That's really unusual. That detail on the trim. Like, are these sort of dresses going to come back? Are we going that 2000s, or are we avoiding that? It's really cute. I'm not sure I like the my Y2K style is definitely more casual than sort of this sort of thing, but that is really pretty. This Monopoly spotted in Cancer Research, £3. How millennial are you going? £2. Debating on getting that for Hannah. Loving this vintage Time Out mug. Quite cute. That's £2. Into Savers, and they've got some lovely L candles. This one smells really good. Oh, I smell the Vanilla Intense one. Not gonna lie, the lid's quite hard to get off. Oh yeah, vanilla one's nice too. £10, quite a nice gift idea. I've worked out the best way to film is actually attach the transmitter to my tote, because then it's like exactly just like filming normally, and I've got the mic attached to my top. So easy. I thought I would try the mic with the fluffy thing on top because it's iconic, and I thought I'd try it with this rather than like the extender, because I want to feel like one of them people that makes videos and talks into their mic. But yes, I feel like I'm still getting to grips with this, so apologies if I've not done this right. But I feel like as we go along and I learn more about the mic and what it can do and the optimal kind of space from away from my mouth, we will get to grips with this. But I thought I'd show you the two things I picked up from the charity shops, because it was only two things. These are both from the big Cancer Research, which I didn't vlog because I was tired and my feet hurt. So I literally ran around the shop, grabbed two things and then went. So first thing is this brown leather vintage bag. This was £5. It's got this gorgeous kind of braided detail on the strap, and I just thought that was super cute. I'm going to pin this to my top for the next bit because I need 2 hands. I got this Principles vintage top. This was £3, and it's got this gorgeous kind of beige layer underneath and then a mesh layer on top, and it is just really fun and cute, a bit vintage, and I just thought it was super funky, so I picked up that. But let's unclip her and finish the video. So thank you so much for Joby for sending through this mic. I'm really excited to experiment with it a little bit more and get it perfect. I feel like these things are a little bit of a learning curve, and to me, who is someone that just uses her phone to vlog and doesn't use any fancy technology, it's going to take me a while to get used to it and how to optimize the sound quality. But I'm really excited to be able to level up these YouTube videos. Now I'm getting paid on YouTube. It's really nice to be able to give you guys that little bit extra quality. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment what your favourite piece was you spotted down below. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!